Now, welcome back to the second HTML tutorial of learning how to code in Pidgin English. For the previous tutorial, I explained say HTML na hypertext markup language wey dem dey use to build websites. For inside the video, I use many real-life sample to take explain wetin HTML be. To add to wetin I don explain for inside the first tutorial of this series, HTML na document wey contain text, and again, na im dem dey use to build websites. Na im be the bedrock of creating web pages. At the end of this HTML tutorial series, you'll be able to create a multi-pages website for yourself, for your friends, or even a family website, just to show mama say you don make am. So because say HTML involves us to dey type, we go need a text editor. So wetin be text editor? Text editor na just wetin we go use to type our HTML codes. At this level, na wetin text editor just be that, nothing more. Just something to write our code in. So there are plenty software wey people dey use to type HTML, but the one wey me I dey gbadun pass na Sublime Text. Just put am for Google say download Sublime Text. The first link wey you go see here, sublimetext.com, na im be the official web page of Sublime Text where you go fit download the software. So if you click on the link, e go carry you come here. So here now, we get 3 different versions for Mac OS, for Windows, and Linux operating systems. So you go just choose the one for your own operating system. Me na Windows operating system I dey use, so I go just choose Windows here. And e don download am for me. So wetin I go just do now be say I go just click on the package wey I don download so. To install Sublime Text dey very easy, na just easy to use software, so e no really hard at all. You fit just follow me in the installation process. So I go just click yes now. E dey ask me whether I go like make my computer install the software. So I go just click yes. Now e dey ask me where I want this software to be installed on my computer. Wetin I dey always like to dey do be say I no dey like to dey change the path, the default path wey the software dey always suggest, because I no wan make anything break at all. But if you like, you fit just change the path wey you go like save your own Sublime Text. So if you come to browse here, you go fit change where you go wan keep your Sublime Text. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I go just leave am as e dey like that. I go click next now. Then e dey tell me say I don already have this software installed on my computer. Yes, that one na true, because I don already dey use Sublime Text before this time. But in your own case, e fit no talk say you don install the Sublime Text before. So wetin I go just do now be say I go just click yes, because e dey ask me now whether I go like install the software for inside that folder. So if I click yes now e dey ask me whether I go like add Explorer context menu. Wetin this one just mean be say e dey ask whether I go like add the menu of the software to my computer so that e go dey very easy for me to open. So I go just tick this box now and click next. Now e dey ask me to confirm the installation. So wetin I go just do, I go just click install. Then e go just go. So to install Sublime Text dey very easy and straightforward. And e no go even take time to complete the installation process. So you no go get any issue using Sublime Text at all. So to confirm say Sublime Text don dey installed on my computer now, I go just go to search and type Sublime Text. So you see, now e don open Sublime Text for me. That one confirm say I don get Sublime Text installed on my computer. So as we don finish the installation of Sublime Text now, we don dey ready to start doing HTML proper. And na so e go be for inside this tutorial. I go see you for the next tutorial where we go begin dey build our first web page.